Guys, this is the part 2 of the 2D ragdoll series. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make the ragdoll balance. So this is my example one. So let me just move him up and then Command P. So yeah, wait a minute. Okay, so I need to set this, and then for the legs, need to set these. Okay, wait. Command P. So yeah, he stands up now. Great. So I'm gonna put this here, and so this thing I can oops. So yeah, the first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna go over to this one that you have. You have all these parts. Wait, let me go to this. You have all these parts, and in the last video we set up all the hinge joints and stuff. So yeah, now we're gonna take this body thing, and then so I'm gonna split it in half. So I need to have a hips and a chest part. So if I go if I go over to here, just gonna see. So this is gonna be the Y. So Command C. Okay, and then this one. So the body, Command V, and then we're gonna change how big it is. So Command C, and then paste it to here. So yeah, now we have the top part. I'm gonna name this to chest. So chest. Okay, then so the hips. I'm gonna just do this first. So I'm just gonna duplicate this. Wait, put it up here. Then rename it to hips. Then I'm gonna copy this. Wait, I got. Yeah.
Hi.
Did you eat lunch?
No.
Why didn't you eat lunch now?
No.
Hey?
No.
You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, is that good?
Hmm?
Are you good?
Yeah. Why?
Sorry guys. So I'll copy this, Command C, then on the hips, wait, no, on these hips, I'll go Command V, wait, where's my, oh, sorry. So then I'll copy this one, then Command Z, Command C, Command V. So yeah, now we're gonna take the hips and we're gonna add this balance script that I made to the hips, and the target rotation is gonna be 0, so like what it's in right now, and then our force is gonna be like you can make it whatever you want, depending on how well you want it to balance and how yeah. So 500. I think that's good. The rigid body is gonna be his rigid body. Yeah, so Command S. I'm gonna go over to here and show you the script. So the script here, so you have the target rotation, which is just a float, and you're gonna set the Z rotation to this, and then the public rigid body 2D, RB2D. So yeah, this is the rigid body that you want to make rotate to the target rotation. Then the force, which is a float. So we're gonna take the rigid body and we're gonna say move rotation, and it's gonna be mathf dot lerp angle, and then in parentheses our the rigid body dot rotation, so the rotation, and then it's gonna go to, and then so it's gonna try to change this to this, and then it's gonna do that times the force, and you're gonna times the force by time dot fixed delta time, so it's not like if your computer's kind of slow, it won't make it go slower. So command S, yeah. Okay, so let's try this. Okay, so you see he stands up. Let me just oops. Wait, let me try that again. Okay. So, wait, wrong one. Oh, I know. Okay, so I'm on the wrong thing. So, I gotta change the camera back to this one here. Then let's get rid of this camera, which was the example one, so Command P. Okay, and you can see that he stands up. But he's not really standing right now. If he falls over, he'll still target this rotation, but we need his legs to stay up. So we're gonna add the balance script to the legs. So if you have like two parts of the leg, you're gonna do this to the up leg, the upper part of the leg. So yeah, drag in the balance script for both the legs. The target rotation is gonna be 0. The rigid body, oh yeah, this is also, you like change this to make him walk. So yeah, if you want to make him walk, you just make this like 90, and then you make to make him walk. You can make that in the animation. So the force is gonna be like 300, I don't know, and then let me just you have to add it for this one. Okay, now let's play this. I'm gonna make wait, here, let me just put it up a little bit. Okay. And we can see that he balances. Oh yeah, and I forgot to say, wait, let me unplay it. So between the hips and the chest, we're gonna connect them with, oh yeah, we have to connect the hips and the chest with a fixed joint. So add component fixed joint, 2D, yeah. So now let's play, wait, I have to connect it to the chest, and then the anchor is gonna go like 0.5. So let me see that. Yeah, that's right. Play it, and then he's pretty good, yeah. And some of you might, yeah, never mind. Yeah, it's pretty good. So yeah, that's how you make him balance. So in the next video, next part, I'm gonna show you how to make them walk. And yeah, I'm gonna split up his legs like that, and his arms. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Bye.